Welcome back, everybody. Taking a break from cooking to talk to Dr. Ben Zellner. He is a hand-to-shoulder specialist at OSMS. Good morning, doctor. Thanks for being here.
Morning. Thanks for having us.
You bet. So we're going to talk about some reasons to choose a doctor-owned practice for orthopedic care. So let's first of all talk about what that means and why you should do it.
Well, why you should do it is fairly straightforward. Whenever a patient comes in, they get to see a physician. So that's unique in our industry, and that's helpful, and we get a lot of positive feedback from patients. The other is that all of our physicians are owners. So if you had the choice of coming to see an owner, which it would be a good thing, we all take pride in providing exceptional care for patients, and that's easy to do as an owner. If there's something that can be done to enhance the patient experience, we're able to do that by making changes efficiently and directly because we're making the decisions.
Really good point. It's not just some big bureaucracy, you know, you guys are hands-on, yeah.
Correct. We can make changes right away if it's going to help the patient's experience.
Question for you, do you need a referral to see, you guys?
Not always. Most of the time people don't need a referral actually. Sometimes when they do, we know this in advance, so if somebody makes an appointment we can obtain a referral. The important thing is that people have a choice. They can ask to come to OSMS, and this is present in two settings. The first is at your primary care doctor. So if you see a primary care provider and you're going to go to an orthopedic surgeon for a consult or rheumatology, they can ask to be sent to OSMS and we'll receive the referral and be able to get people in to see us. The other would be in the emergency room. So in the emergency room, if somebody were to need surgery or to have aftercare with an orthopedic surgeon, they can ask for the referral to be sent to OSMS, and we can usually accommodate that referral.
Is there any cost savings to, come to you guys?
Definitely. We take a lot of pride in providing a comprehensive care center. So when somebody comes in, they see a physician, we're able to order x-rays, potentially MRI on the spot. We can do therapy either before or potentially after a surgery if needed. And we can even do surgery in the surgery center or procedure room within our building. So it's a one-stop shop for everything, which is convenient for travel. You don't have to go to multiple sites. And there's a cost savings of surgery in the surgery center of 40% compared to hospital-based procedures, and most people will really appreciate that.
Does doctor-owned mean local?
It does in our case. Many of our physicians grew up in Green Bay, and many are from Wisconsin, like myself. We live in the community. We're raising our families here. We treat our coworkers, our neighbors, our fellow community members, and we know what it's like to live here, and we try to get people back to living their life to their fullest potential here in Northeast Wisconsin.
I think a lot of people, doctor, suffer with pain. I play tennis with a lot of ladies, and there are injuries all the time, and a lot of people are just like, I just have to live with it. This is just the way it's going to be. There are so many new advances these days, and like you say, you're doing so much of it right there. Right. Cutting edge technology right at your place.
For sure. That we take pride in that. It's supposed to be a one-stop shop, and if it's something that people have to live with, then we can help with that, or we can give other ways of working around it to try to make those activities more comfortable.
What are some of the things that you deal a lot with?
I do mainly hand upper extremity, so I deal a lot with nerve compression, so that's carpal tunnel, other small things of the hand, trigger finger, tennis elbow, as you mentioned tennis. We see a lot of that. So we can treat it the whole spectrum of treatment from non-operative to operative if necessary, and we can walk people through those steps and see what we have to do to get them better.
And you're just one of the many doctors, that own the practice. So how can people find out more about you guys and what you do? And all that stuff.
So we have a website. It's called askforosms.com. So that's available to look. And also people can just call and ask us. So you can call and make an appointment at 920-430-8113.
And we'll put all that information on our website as well. Doctor, thank you so much. Appreciate it. Yeah.